Have you ever woken yourself up or been woken up by someone else due to that rumbling sound coming from the bedroom? Snoring is a common disruption that can impact the sleep of millions, affecting both the snorer and their bed partner. When it comes to quieting those nighttime noises, there are several types of anti-snoring aids designed to help, ranging from simple external solutions to more advanced internal devices. Understanding why we snore is key to choosing the right aid. Snoring occurs when the airflow through your mouth and nose is obstructed, causing the tissues in your throat to vibrate. This can happen due to various factors like the position of your tongue, a narrowed airway, or even congestion. Different aids target these specific causes. For instance, some focus on keeping your jaw forward, others aim to prevent your tongue from falling back, and some simply improve nasal breathing. The aids available generally fall into a few main categories. You will find external nasal dilators that gently widen your nostrils, and nasal strips that open up nasal passages. Then there are oral appliances, which are often worn in the mouth much like a sports mouthguard, designed to reposition your jaw or tongue. Additionally, some people benefit from special pillows that encourage sleeping on your side, or even chin straps that keep your mouth closed. It is important to differentiate between simple snoring and a more serious condition called obstructive sleep apnea. While many aids can help with snoring, if you suspect sleep apnea, which involves pauses in breathing, always consult with a doctor. Devices like a mandibular advancement device, which moves the lower jaw forward, are common oral appliances for mild to moderate snoring. Exploring these options can be a step towards quieter nights and more restful sleep for everyone in the household. By understanding the underlying cause of your snoring, you can more effectively choose an aid that targets your specific needs and helps you breathe more freely.